Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, AVAX is in the resistance area still, and we still can only identify a three-wave rally from the lows. We're in the resistance area, Fibonacci resistance. The market couldn't sustain above the 38.2 retracement here at $28. But I also at the same time don't have a clear confirmation that we've topped in this wave 4. So I think we might see a little bit more sideways consolidation over the weekend within that resistance area, possibly forming a triangle or something. I mean, this is highly speculative. There is absolutely zero evidence for a triangle at this stage, but it might, it might form something like, ABC to the upside, then an ABC to the downside, and a 5-wave move up. And then this gives us a larger 4th wave. There are many options. All I can share with you at the moment is that we pretty much have a complete looking ABC structure to the upside. So we will talk about that a little more. Looking at the bigger picture, obviously, we're dealing still with this so-called 1-2 setup in which a wave 1 topped here around the 17th, 18th of March. And this was at around $65. Yeah, the idea is that we're now in a wave 2, right? Could be a wave 2 correction, and I'm labeling that as an A, B, C structure. The C wave 100% extension target, it's just a very common target for a C wave. It points to $18.84. Now, that is the 100% extension of the initial A wave down, which bottomed here on the 13th of April, and it is just a key target for a C wave. And also C waves should have 5 waves down, so I'm still leaning towards one more low. But Elliott wave is giving me some objective levels to watch, so I always know when I need to change my opinion. And I need to change my opinion if there is a sustained break above the 50% retracement at $29.56. So any break above it would indicate that something more bullish is going on. So a break above resistance could indicate that, oh, maybe wave 2 has already bottomed. This is obviously where a lot of uncertainty comes in, but with a 3-wave rally from the lows, and we did expect a rally into resistance from that $24 level, but again, it's only a corrective rally. But as a corrective rally in an ABC structure, not yet broken above resistance, there is no confirmation that something more bullish is going on. We always have to focus on what the market tells us. So the market tells us we have seen a corrective rally into resistance. Nothing unusual. You see this here looks a bit like a 5-wave move up in wave C. It could definitely give us another high. But if I also check here the Fib extension, so we take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, it's reached basically the 100% extension level. I mean, it's done what it needs to do for a C wave. It could easily stretch a bit higher to 29.56. But yeah, I'm just waiting now probably for a bit of a pullback. Now, what could happen? So, for example, this 4th wave could form a triangle. The ABC might be a larger A wave, then we get a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. Then we have a triangle, an Elliott wave triangle, and the 4th wave could sit here. Or it's just forming a larger ABC structure, so like an A, B, C. That's also possible. Let me change the color maybe to... that's not very well visible, orange maybe. So then we just have a larger ABC structure. So it can form various structures here, this wave 4, and it's just too early to confirm a top, but it's also too early to confirm a low. So without any impulsive move above resistance, there is no confirmation for a low. Instead, this rally could be close to an end. That's what I'm watching, but we haven't topped yet, or at least I need more evidence that we've topped. But I'm definitely watching at least for some kind of a B wave pullback now. That could be wave B in orange, or the B wave of the triangle. If really a triangle forms, will not be clear until later in this correction. So let's see. Would need to adjust the interpretation here if there is a break above $29.56. Then I would watch the descending trend line next. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.